Hi guys, so today we will be unboxing and reviewing this keyboard from Redragon, the Redragon Surara K582 SE. This is a 100% full-size keyboard and it's fully wired as well. And it has RGB lighting and zero fade keycaps, as well as a function to disable the Windows keys when you are gaming if you don't want to be disturbed, or maybe you accidentally hit that Windows keys while playing some games. This keyboard also has a software where you can rearrange the keys depending on your choice or your gameplay, and you can also do some assigning for macro settings. So why don't we go ahead and unbox this keyboard. So the keyboard in itself, the box is just a simple box with the keyboard in itself is wrapped in bubble wrap. So we have some extra keys here. So this is a red linear key that we have here in this keyboard, and all the keys are hot swappable. So if you want to change your type of switch or your keycaps as well, you can also do that in this keyboard. We also have our keycap puller and of course the keyboard itself. So like I said, this is a 100% full size or full layout keyboard, and it's also fully wired. Okay, so this is our keyboard. Looks nice. The keycaps in itself also looks nice. So now let's go ahead and do some typing test on this keyboard. So, what do you guys think about the Surara K582 SE from Redragon? Well, I would say that this is a pretty good keyboard. It's very straightforward. It's a 100% full layout keyboard. It has RGB lighting, like what I said earlier, and it's also a fully wired keyboard. This keyboard being fully wired means you have zero lag when it comes to keystrokes from your keyboard and your PC when you are gaming. And with the shortcut function to disable the Windows keys when you are playing games is also a great added feature on this keyboard in itself. And the software for the K582 is very easy to use if you want to rearrange or reassign some of the keys that you have in this keyboard, or even do some macro settings for this keyboard. This keyboard, having the red linear switches, gives us a more quiet sounding typing profile for this keyboard. And I also like that the different color schemes that they use in the keyboard itself. Your major keys, like your spacebar, enter key, and your arrow keys are the different color from your function keys and your normal keys, your alphabets and your number keys. So I think that one is a good detail that they did for this keyboard as well. If you're interested in the Redragon Surara K582 mechanical keyboard, I will leave the link in the description below. So thank you guys for joining us today for another keyboard unboxing and review. And maybe why don't you check out some of our videos up here, and maybe subscribe to our channel right over here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!